If you have more than 3 goals, you have 0. He who chases 2 rabbits catches neither. All this wisdom has been out there. What's your one thing? That's what I'm going to be thinking about. I'm thinking about it all the time. It's what I'm going to be talking about more. Even if it's just for myself, I'm okay. Hopefully 1 or 2 people will find something useful in it, something helpful. If you're doing anything, or you even know, drop it down in the comment. Alright, enjoy this last little moment of light. Bye.